2 years, or 10. The difference starts here. 304L stainless steel. The difference is in every component. Strength, corrosion resistance. The difference is visible. Sludge, moisture, chemicals, ordinary materials fail. 304L says no. Why does it cost more?
Because others cut corners on the frame and belts you can't see. This isn't an added cost, it's the removal of your repair and downtime risks for the next 10 years. The frame decides everything.
Corrosion resistance, 300% plus higher. The numbers speak. 300% plus corrosion resistance. 3,000 plus projects. 10 plus year lifespan. This isn't about steel. It's about promise. Reliable engineering starts with a reliable frame. SHINCCI, where durability is built in, engineered to last. Built on 304L.